the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button to get notification. Hi friends, welcome to Planners on a Mission channel. If you have not subscribed, then click the red button to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting videos every week on motivation, exam and study tips and education related videos. As you all know, exams are approaching and every student is preparing with full focus and concentration. So, to give that extra push to excel in your boards, I want you to be motivated by the biography of a motivational speaker who has no hands and legs, and everyone believed that he cannot achieve anything in this world. But today, his journey is inspiring millions and has attracted audiences as large as 110,000 people. And he's none other than Nick Vujicic. Nick Vujicic was born on 4th December 1982 in Australia. He is a motivational speaker and writer. He was born with tetra-amelia, a rare disorder characterized by the absence of all four limbs. When Nick was born, his parents were hurt and deepened with despair. As Nick was growing, he felt helpless, rejected, and a burden for others. Even at school, he was bullied and suffered a lot, to such an extent that he tried to commit suicide at the age of 8. After his attempt of suicide, he learned his accomplishments were inspirational to many people and began to thank God that he was alive. Some years later, he read an article in a newspaper about a disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and help others. Nick quotes Norman Vincent Peale once said, "Become a possibilitarian no matter how dark your life seems to be. Raise your sights and see the possibilities. Always see them, for they are always there." Nick says, "I encourage you to accept that you may not be able to see a path right now, but that doesn't mean it's not there. Have faith. Your story is still waiting to unfold, and I know it'll be incredible." These facts made Nick change his mind and started trying to live a normal life without limits and talking about their experiences to serve as inspiration to many people. At the age of 17, he started to give talks at his prayer group and founded his non-profit organization, Life Without Limbs. Since then, Nick Vujicic has traveled around the world talking about his life and how he has learned to have a normal life. Writing using the 2 toes on his left foot with a special grip that slid onto his big toe, using a computer, getting himself a glass of water, combing his hair, brushing his teeth, or answering the phone. After this, he obtained a bachelor's degree in accounting and financial planning, and he has continued giving talks around the world. At the age of 28, Nick is the president of a non-profit organization, Life Without Limbs, and he has his own motivational speaking company, Attitude is Altitude. The world admires him because he is a model of overcoming. Although he hasn't got limbs, he has learned to have a normal life. He practices swimming, golf, and other sports. So friends, in our life too, there will be a lot of instances when people will put you down. You will think you're a failure. You may be worried about your exams. You would want to rise up and study to achieve top marks in your exams. You will try to study hard, but when the results don't come as you had expected, you cry. Don't worry, forget it and keep moving. 4 valuable lessons failure gives us from Nick's story. Number 1, failure is a great teacher. Number 2, failure builds character. Number 3, failure motivates you. Number 4, failure helps you to appreciate. Find your areas of strength in each subject. Are you going to finish strong in this board exam? Are you going to find the strength to come back strong and emerge in flying colors? You always have a choice to put yourself down or to go towards your dream, ask yourself, I'm going to share Nick's formula for success. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Do your best, God will do the rest. If you can't get a miracle, become one. Nick says, no matter how you are born, you can achieve anything. I would like to conclude saying that Nick's story is not about a man without limbs. It's about a man without limits. I hope this video inspires and motivates you to do well in your board exams. All the best. And thank you for watching my video. Please do click the like button to like this video and share this video to your friends and family. And also do comment. And if you are new here, don't forget to click that red button to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.